Hi, Mr. Elmer Presidente. What you got to say, sir?
Good morning, everyone. Today is the culmination of our tournament, which is the Masters Champion. The last two sessions will be our championship. But thank you to all the participants who had been playing extremely beautiful golf.
Nice.
And I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, especially this man who's holding this camera, and all the champions who one of this is like here in back of me.
Yes.
And those that are there playing right now.
Right. People that
welcome.
participated in the Riders Cup.
Beautiful day in Charleston Springs.
Yeah.
And have a great day.
There you
All
go.
right.
Right there.
As a member
Master,
of Team
you're
A,
master. You're the
I
master
want to
champ.
make a special
Champ.
mention to our captains,
Nakanamata.
Adonis and Jojo over there.
For
Made
winning
it
the
possible.
Class A.
All I can say today is come and get me.
Romy, what you got, collector? What you got to say, sir? It's collecting time. Who's coming in second again?
I hope I win today, that's all.
Yeah.
Are we
Get,
doing?
get, get.
Wait.
Mr. Jojo, Arnel.
Good breakfast, Kuya Arnels.
Arnel. There you go.
Guys, it's officially, I'd like to invite Jojo for winning the Riders Cup. He's now welcome to the winning table.
Nah, yeah, you get a trophy for it.
Right, you know.
That's it. You do.
I
It's
got
in the winning trophy now.
the rider.
It's gonna get it's included in the winning table now. Good one.
I
didn't
also
even
won in
remember.
that match.
Holy cow. Brother, what you got to say, sir?
Hello.
Welcome back.
Glad to be here. That's all I can say.
Are you gonna join the meron kami yung yung private course. Legal gentlemen.
Peace, man.
Peace be with you. What you got to say, Leo?
Raul, we're again together, huh?
Yeah, again.
See to it, you're
another.
gonna show your good game today, like before.
First of the three majors.
Here we go.
You know who is the defending champion? There is a target that is back.
Mr. Hector, where is he?
Hector!
Oh, we got a lot of double champs here. Double and
to
triple
everyone.
champs. Here's the target right here coming up.
All I can say is come and get me.
Oh shit!
Sumali pa.
Oh shit! What you got to say, double champ?
I'm cleaning my balls.
Oh boy! Go ahead and clean it. Holy shit! Piso, magkukulik na naman.
Piso-piso daw.
Piso.
Mamili ka.
Tapos magiging $2 na yan. Biglaan $2.
Wala ba si Joby?
So, duty ba siya? Duty?
Tinakbuhan mo ako noon ay
Now I won't be embarrassed if I join
Yeah.
the table.
Yes, he's included in the winning table now.
I never said that.
I get his respect now.
All the way.
Oh shit!
All the way.
Oh shit! Hey brother,
I don't know, man. This is like...
the green is not too bad.
Yeah, it's not as bad. Oh, you should have seen this Thursday. It's all sand.
Wala pa, late
I
yun.
think it's good. I think
It's always
not
late.
bad at all.
Welcome back.
Be back.
Yeah, you have the Fargo uniform today, which we had last week.
Yep.
It's good though.
day
Yep, master time. The master time.
for the master.
Here we go. All right.
Layo na natin, baka mamaya magbabanda-banda parang ako yan. Gagayo man.
Mga sugarol.
Wala, mababa.
Hey!
Mga sugarol.
Different spot. Different spot.
Magkano to? $1? $1?
Kasali ka.
I haven't put it all the way down there. Dada, what's going on, sir?
Hello. Nice day to play today.
What you got to say, sir?
I said it's a nice day to play golf today.
There you go.
Yeah. Every time we're out, it's always.
A good day.
Talagang ano, ang ganda ng ating what they did, they moved some of the water para dun sa mga pond, and then they basically saturate some of the like playing the shanta.
That's left to right, all the way left. I should have joined.
I don't think it's gonna be a fact.
Sa likod ko. Yun.
Pasok! Uy!
It's a little slow, but kaya nga, this is gonna be a lot birdie. It's gonna be birdie condition to. Birdie condition.
Bago mo renovate ang Clarion, alam mo yan?
Here we go. What do you got to say, sir? I don't know. What do you got to say? Say something.
I
You're the
finally
new
won
champ.
the one
Another
that I
champ.
really wanted, the Masters.
Kala ko birdie ang inaano mo lang
Oh yeah,
target mo.
birdie. Pag nanalo ako sa birdie, lechon ako.
No, dalawa ha?
Isa lang.
Isa lang?
Narinig nyo yan, let's
Oo, naka-video yan ha?
Naka-video.
Sabi ko
May witness.
Lechon yun.
he told him that.
He's up 10 now. 10, ilan ka na? 8 ka na, Hazen.
7. Nakailang birdie? Naka-birdie ka ba?
He's got 8.
Alright. Nakadalawa siya ngayon eh.
Kaya nga, he had 7 already. Oh yeah, he's 9. Yeah, yeah.
Ikaw, 6 ka, 7. Ako, 5. 6
Ayan na, ayan na, bayan na, collector.
Saan?
Yung anong
Par
par
five.
5 na
Montek. Ako, montek ng dumunk yung eagle shot, yung second shot.
Ayan na si John Wick, ayan na si John Wick, kolektan mo na. Collector.
Ano yung par 5? Ano mo?
Alam mo yung par 5 malapit lang eh. Kaya abutin.
John Wick, labas mo na yung wallet mo, nandito na si collector.
13, yung mayroong tubig sa kanan. Pag ganyan
Yung ano, yung maikli, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hindi ko pinilit
I
yun eh.
parred that one. Par namin niya.
What happened?
Mapar ko lang din yan eh. Putting for birdie. Buwisit ako rin eh.
John Wick, here we go. Collect.
Ay, nagbayad na siya.
Oh,
Sa pati na ako na dami.
ganun din.
Yeah, yung patting namin eh. There's so many sand.
Paring.
Come on, man. The greens are so ugly.
Yeah.
And then Adonis knows everything about it.
Yeah, that's
They
why.
practice 3 days in a row.
That's why.
Kaapat pa nga eh.
Hindi siya
But you
nag-practice
know
dito.
what? I have to give it to him. I mean, that's good, you know? I mean, that's really,
1 week siya
really good.
nag-practice dito.
You know? Sometimes,
Kayang-kaya na ni Adonis Leroy yung handicap niya.
oo.
Siguro dapat ibababa.
Hindi. Magbababa.
Bababa talaga yan.
Bababa talaga yan. Whether you like it.
Alright, here we go. Yeah,
No
no.
problem.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Ay, walang praktisan na! You can't practice anymore.
Bragging rights eh. We're missing one problem.
Two birdies,
I know, I saw the scorecard. Yeah. Bukas na yan, eh. Ralph, that's open.
Wala
Put it in there.
Kasama Verdi?
Yeah!
Dude.
Come on!
My God.
Oh man, collector.
He's collecting money from
You know.
He's also in good shape. I mean,
Hey, Phil.
he was playing good too.
Huh?
Phil was doing okay. He was just, he was trying. But,
Sila ang ano, sila ni ano, si Phil at saka si Adonis sa simula
I
eh.
know what to do with my partner. They were doing
alright.
Then si Doc
Well, this one, the next one is
And we're off.
there.
Alright, any last comment, gentlemen?
It was a good fight. It was a good fight, good game. We'll see you in the championship, Eagle Ridge.
No.
Adonis, Adonis.
The fight is not fair.
I hope Eagle Ridge is not aerated.
No, I hope not.
Sabi nga ni John Wick, walang practice kasi.
Oh my God, shitty. Oh, look at
That's what that's no.
Nag-8-8 eh. Nag-8-8 ka ba? Freaking Adonis, man. 2 straight Adonis wins. 2 wins straight.
That's it,
Adonis
you know.
played
Amazing.
No,
He played good. I give that to him.
That's it. Cut.